What if everything we know is just part of the story they've allowed? Imagine a major discovery that could change the world, but it's buried in silence. Today, we'll reveal it all. There are things you never hear about in science class, buried research, hidden experiments, and today, we're exposing it all. The scientific secrets they don't want you to know, hidden truths exposed. Have you ever felt like there's a part of science that's missing? Behind the official theories, there are experiments that are deliberately hidden from the public. Have you ever felt that something is missing from what they teach us in science
but it's
class?
giving me the creeps.
Discoveries that were made, then quietly buried. Documents that vanished, experiments that were never published. And today, we reveal what they didn't want you to know. This is the scientific truth they tried to erase. Let's start with Nikola Tesla, the forgotten genius. Why was an inventor like Tesla suddenly silenced? Was the world simply not ready, or was there something bigger going on? Tesla claimed he discovered a source of free energy, unlimited, clean. But suddenly, his funding disappeared, his lab burned down. Some say he was silenced by those who profit from power. And what about the Philadelphia experiment? An alleged military experiment to make a warship invisible. Witnesses claimed it vanished, teleported, then reappeared with crew fused into metal. Some scientists choose silence, others are never heard from again. The government, they said it never happened. Many who knew too much vanished. There's a pattern here. Truth erased, knowledge hidden. Even ancient history holds scientific secrets. How did ancient Egyptians cut granite with perfect laser-like precision? Were they using tools we don't yet understand? How could such advanced technology have emerged thousands of years ago without a modern scientific explanation? Let's go further, to the Baghdad battery. A 2,000-year-old object that might have generated electricity. Why do schoolbooks never mention this? Or the Piri-Reis map, showing Antarctica centuries before we discovered it. How did they know about lands covered in ice for 6,000 years? The more you look, the more questions appear. From corporate interests to the control of knowledge, is science being used as a tool of control? Is science controlled by those in power? Funding determines research, control decides what becomes truth. The inconvenient truths never reach the public. Technology years ahead, hidden in black projects. Time travel, teleportation, mind control, all once called impossible, now whispered as real. Knowledge should liberate, not hide. It's time we asked, what else don't we know? Why hide the truth? Power, control, fear. But the truth has a way of leaking out. And when it does, the world will never be the same. Will you be ready to question everything? This is not conspiracy, this is reality you weren't meant to see. Like, share, and subscribe before this video disappears. But the real secret isn't over yet. There's still a secret NASA experiment, a space project that even astronauts can't talk about. What did they really see on the moon? And why didn't we ever return? Stay tuned for the next episode, NASA Secrets and Dark Moon Missions. If this video reaches 100,000 likes, we will reveal NASA secrets and secret space projects you have never heard of before.